Clerkenwell LGBTQIA plus history video number 7. Thomas Wright's Molly House, Beach Lane by Barbican, what is now known as Barbican Beach Street. A Molly House was a term used in it was around in about 1724. The 18th century, the 19th century, it was a meeting place for gay men, and many of them would often socialize, they'd drink tea or beer, but some would use the rooms in the Molly House for other purposes, a bit more intimate, you could say. Now, Thomas Wright had one of these Molly houses in what was Beach Lane at the time, and in November 1724 there was an argument between two men, and one of them decided to dob the place in. So he contacted the Society for the Reformation of Manners, and he enabled them to get into this particular Molly House. Amongst others, it was like a raid where Thomas Wright was arrested, and he was charged with one of the more severe crimes, because after the raid happened on the 17th of November 1724, he was found guilty of particular offences, things that would be totally fine today, but he was hanged for his crime on the 9th of May 1726. That's the information I've got. I've read about it on Islington's Pride website, but I gather there's a book about the Molly houses, which I may look into for a more detailed video at a later date. So at the moment, thanks for watching, and bye for now.